The stirring paddle in the kettle rotates during revolution, which makes the material flow around, so it can realize mixing, compounding, effect in a short amount of time. The additional 1 or 2 high-speed disperser in the kettle rotate during revolution, which makes the material cut strongly and mixed. The effect is severalfold superior than an ordinary mixer. There are various blades such as frame, paddle and dough twisting frame for low-speed blades that can be chosen. Vacuum design ensures the material is working in a sealed environment. The heating method of the kettle body can adopt electric heating, steam heating, hot water or hot oil external circulation, intelligent temperature controller, and precise temperature control. Double planetary mixers are widely used in industries: silicone sealant, poo sealant, machinery sealant, liquid silicone, RTV, electronic sealant, ink, pigment, dye, electronic paste, resin, plastic, toothpaste etc.